Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change an air filter in a 2016 Nissan Versa. This is a 1.6 liter, and let's get into it. The hood latch on this vehicle is right next to the gas cap, and here you can see the symbol for it is right here. So it's on the left side door jamb for the US vehicles. Left-hand drive, so let's get into it. Okay. Now to open the hood, you're going to see this little lever. So about midline with the vehicle. You're going to move this lever to the opposite side where it rests. And you're going to pull up at the same time. So it's going to be a dual action. Okay. And now the hood prop is going to be like that, affixed to the hood itself. And the actual prop rod is going to be mounted on this side. So here. Like that. So make sure it's trapped, and you're going to let the weight of the hood settle on it. Okay? And here, just in case if I wasn't clear, you guys can study how that works. It's just a very simple hook. Move it to the side and lift up on the hood at the same time. Okay, the air filter on this particular vehicle, oh my god, dusty. The air filter on this particular vehicle is right here, and so I'm going to go get it. As you guys can see, it was in the... I'm going to go get the air filter, and I'll show you right now the procedure. Okay, so for removal of the old air filter, you simply pull up on these clips, and you guys can see there should reveal to you the air filter element itself. Okay, so here it is. Wow. There's the factory Nissan part number if you guys wish to use the original part. In my case, I'm utilizing, it is a Wix 49038, you guys can see here. And what I like to do is to make sure, as with any new part, and you have a functioning old part, always check to see that the critical dimensions, length and width, are correct. So that looks close enough at least to pass the eye test. And now I'm going to install it in the same exact manner that the original one was in. Okay, so now that it's slipped in, what you're going to do is rock the upper housing back into the its relative guide, and then snap those down. Okay, so you got to make sure that it goes into the rear point. So it's going to have two bosses, and they're going to poke through these, I guess, two braces in the rear. So once it's in like that, and it's interlocked, you're going to make sure you can do a little final check and cheat to make sure that the seal is not rolled. And what I mean, it just looks really nice, and it's not, you know, all turned in on itself. So now it's nice and smooth, feels good. And you're going to snap these down. So you could just run it through the middle. You could hit it in the belly of the clip and just roll it down, and it snaps really easy. And then you can check your work, make sure that there's no apparent gaps. You guys can see that these are seated beautifully. Nice and flat all the way around as far as the eye can see. So, looks good to me. Alright guys, so that's how to change your air filter in your 1.6 liter Nissan Versa. Comment, like, subscribe, and I wish you guys the best.